Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss about the some important concept about the Git repositories. So in this video we'll discuss how you can push your local repository to your GitHub account, means remote repository. How you can do this we'll discuss in this lab. So if you are new in my channel, just keep subscribe, learn with Sheikh Wasim, and press the bell icon so you will never miss any upcoming videos. So without wasting time, let's get started and proceed the video. So suppose you have a project in your local machine, means in your local laptop, which have Ubuntu or Windows in your machine, and you have a project like you have a full-fledged project or you have a demo project, and you want to push your project from your local machine to your Git repo. How you can do this? Let's suppose I have a user one, they have their own project in their local machine, and user 2 have their own project in your local machine, and they have by the way, they have a separate account. They have a separate GitHub account, and they have this one is user have separate GitHub account. So they want to push their project or push their repository from local machine to your to the Git repository. How they can do this we'll discuss in this lab. So let's go to the terminal and then proceed this lab. Let me open my terminal so I can show you. So let me show you the repository account. So this is the repository account. So this is my profile and this is my repository account. So now I want to create the local project on my local machine, create some directory on local machine, and then I want to push this repository to my remote GitHub account. So let's suppose I think I already have a project. Let me show you. cd GitHub, I think this one, yeah, this one. So as you can see, I have a Git for beginners project which have separate CSS folder, images folder, JavaScript folder, project folder, and readme file. So this I want to complete. I want to push this complete project to my Git repositories, to my Git repository account from my local machine to my remote machine, means remote GitHub, my remote GitHub account. So how you can do this? Let's go and let me show you the files as well. Let me show the images, cd img. So as you can see, I have all the images, and go back. Now I want to push all these files to my remote account. So first of all, you need to make sure there is no any Git folder. Let's say okay, as you can see, there is no any Git folder available in my directory. First you need to initialize the Git init. So my Git is now initialized. After that you need to Git status, check the status. What is the Git status? As you can see, these are the in red colors, these are the files which is not committed yet. So we have to update it and then commit it. We have to first edit and then we need to commit it. So git add dot means you can, all the files will be added in your Git repository, Git repo. So git status. So as you can see, all the files are now updated, and now we have to commit these all files. Git commit. So let me add some commits. git repo project from local to GitHub account. Okay, just save it. Okay, now check the status again. All the files are committed successfully. Now the second step is we have to push project to my remote repository. So to do this, you need to connect your remote repository to your local repository. You have to create the repository from in your remote account. First we have to create the remote repository from my remote account. So let's suppose I want to create the project Git for beginners, and then make it private or public, it's up to you, and then create repository. So we have to use this link to make as origin. By the way, I am in the master branch. Let me show you. Git branch. As you can see, I am in the master branch. So I need this link to connect my local repository so that my complete project or complete code files, all the files, images, CSS will be pushed on my remote repository. So to do this, you have to copy this line, git remote as origin, consider as the origin, and then I need to check it again. Status, git status, nothing is pending or uncommitted, so all the files are committed. So I have to push all the project to my remote repository. To do this, you have to copy this one, and then paste it here. So let's see. So as you can see, my remote Git origin is connected with my local repository. Now I want to use the command git push to push my all the folders, files and folders to my remote repository. Git push. Yeah. So as you can see, they are not connected. To connect my repository, I need to use this command. Git push set as a master as a origin. So just copy and paste it here, and then hit the button. So if your repository is not connected, your repository account, GitHub account is not connected, you have to connect your repository account. They will ask you the username and password. So let me put my username, and the password will be, let me pause this video and then I come back. So as you can see, when I put my username password, it will push all my code to my master branch, which is my GitHub account, GitHub repository account, and all the code and files are successfully pushed. Nothing is pending. So let me go back to the Git repository. Let me show you. So this is our repository. When we refresh this, you will see all the codes will now available in this repository account, this repository. Let's refresh it. So as you can see, all the files and code folders are available now in my this repository account. So let me show you the status as well. Again, go back, status, there is nothing any committed. So let's suppose we have to, let's say we need to create, or we need to edit some command, and then we can push it again. Let's say I want to edit in readme file. Let's say enter, this is the repo, this is my repo files and folders, copied. Now git status, check the git status, it will show you the what file is need to be committed. So git readme file is need to be committed, so we have to first add it, git add dot, and then git commit. Okay, file added and updated, save it, and now we have to check again status, nothing is committed. Now we need to push this, git push, because our repository already connected. So as you can see, my file is successfully pushed. Let's say refresh this, and we will see this code, we'll see this line. So this is how you can push your local repository from local machine, from your local project to remote repository, from your remote to your remote account. One thing more, let me show you the git folder as well. So if as you can see, all the details, my remote repository details are available in my git folder. If I remove this folder, all the remote repository connection will be lost. Then again we need to reconnect it. Let me show you as well. rm-rf and .git. So git folder is now removed. Now if I changes in again readme file and push it again, let's say if I remove this one and then paste it, let's say git status. So as you can see, fatal error. So you have to first again you have to reinitialize the git. So how to do this? Go to the git, type git init. Okay, now my git is now initialized, and check the git status. Okay, as you can see, all the files are now need to be committed again, and then push it to your remote repository. So git add dot git status, these are all need to be committed. Git commit add files are updated. So now status, nothing is committed. So now I want to push this to my repository. So what should I type? Should I type git push, or should I mention the origin? Let's see how you can answer this question. Okay, as you can see, it says your remote path is not available. So again I need to add my remote path as origin. So where is my remote path? Let me, this one is my remote path. So I have to do this, I have to enter this, my remote path is now origin. Now I want to push it again, it says again same error. So I have to copy this line and paste it, paste. Okay, let's resolve this error before, let me check this. So guys, I sorted out the issue. The actual issue is because of the remote and local repositories branches are conflict. So that's why the issue is. So we have to use the flag F to merge our master branch to remote repository. Let's try this. Everything is up to date. It says everything is up to date. And let's suppose if I edit some readme file, vi readme, and then let me commit it again, git status, git add git commit created and now status git push. Okay, as you can see, everything is updated and pushed. So let's see, let's try refresh this. Hopefully the code is updated and committed successfully. So as you can see, all our local repository codes will now have pushed and updated to our remote repository. So this is how you can push your local repository code projects to your remote repository. So that's it. Bye bye. Thank you.